Female sex hormone, progesterone. Structure, pregnant derivative. Okay, in the pregnant derivative, what do you see? I see one carbonyl or ketone group, yeah? What's this? Again, one ketone group. Okay? Cyclopentane, cyclohexane, and cyclohexene. Now, where is the chiral carbon here?
Wait, let me find it. This one.
Yes, this one,
This one.
yeah,
This one.
yeah.
This one. This
Yeah.
one. No.
No, not more.
Ha!
Okay. The pregnant derivative, progesterone prepares the uterus for egg implantation. And you know what does mean egg implantation? Maintains pregnancy and prevents the further ovulation during pregnancy. Always, all of the information are important. A steroid contraceptive agent. You know what does it mean, contraceptive?
No.
Against pregnancy, that the ladies use to not be pregnant. Norgestrol and ethinyl estradiol, two important name of the drug.
But not the structure?
Not the structure. Maybe they give you and they ask you, okay, distinguish it. What is what? What is the name of this group?
No, not vinyl. It's
This is ethinyl.
ethinyl, yeah.
Ethinyl. I think that we should close that one. That will be, see, because I put my hand and this is completely, yeah, that's better. And this is also ethinyl. Thank you. Danke.
Bitte.
Now, what is the type of this OH? What is the type of this OH?
Let's
This is a phenolic OH because it's attached, connect to the
phenol, yeah.
aromatic ring, and this is a alcoholic OH. Alcoholic OH, phenolic OH. Now the chirality finds the chiral carbon. This one, carbon number 17. This is not more. Here again 17, 13. This. Do we have more?
No. This one?
No. It has two hydrogen. Now we go to male sex hormone, androsterone and testosterone. It's make a star for them. You should know it, okay? You should know it. Know the structure here. Know the structure. Actually, they are same. The difference is that the OH is here, the OH is here, the double O is here, double O is here. Everything is same except this double bond.
I have a question. For example, this one, what's it carry? Because it's carbon here and carbon here.
No, you shouldn't send that carbon. This is a 1R group, this is a other group. This is a hydrogen, this is a other group.
Okay. Could you just write down against pregnancy?
Yes.
Because it's maybe...
Prevent pregnancy.
Is it important to know?
The contraceptive means prevent pregnancy.
Yeah, but...
They are the drugs that have a Sunday, Monday.
Yeah,
Such
but
like this.
the pill. But is it like are they gonna ask like write down this?
Write down two example of contraceptive, or they give you these two structure,
And what is the
you
function?
should, and you should understand the role is contraceptive. But the importance of these two are 20%.
Okay.
Male sex hormone, testosterone, androsterone. Now, chirality. Here is chiral. Here. This. Here 17, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And this is always important, the chirality, yeah?
Always. For sure you have one structure to distinguish that has a chirality. No. Now go to the male structure of...
How important is this?
All of the structure to distinguish is 20%. And finally, for the final exam, they give you one list that who should you distinguish, who should you know. That's a very easy top. Male sex hormone, structure of androsten skeleton, but the female one, all of them has a pregnant skeleton. they have a peregnon skeleton. For the male, they have an androstan skeleton. You see, peregnon derivative. Here is androstan derivative, male, female. Peregnon, androstan. Production is in the testes. The other one, production was in the ovary, for sure. And the physiological rule, sexual difference in the non-reproductive system. Okay, what does it mean, non-reproductive system? For example, the male has a beard, they have a very thick hair, they have a hardy nose, they don't have a mammary gland, they have a very small brain. This is a sexual difference in the non-reproductive system. And maturation of sperms, etc. Testosterone is more potent.
What does it mean?
This is more male sexual hormone. This is more male sexy. Now, anabolic steroid structure, androsterone or testosterone skeleton or 19 norsteroid. What does it mean, nor?
Nor's 9?
No, nor means without methyl. Without methyl. Without methyl. For example, we have adrenaline, noradrenaline. Noradrenaline is adrenaline without methyl. Now, norsteroid, see, norethan androlone. And on the carbon number 19, there is no any methyl. Now, where is the carbon 19?
19 is this one, isn't it?
No. You see that it was 17, it was 18, I think it was 19. Yes. Number 19 is here. Okay? Instead of methyl, here is no methyl.
Okay, and where is the
17
I don't nor
ethan because of this ethan. This is ethan.
Okay, and then
this is the androlone. Ethan and then androlone.
Yeah, androlone. Androlone is the whole structure.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, 17 methyl
Chirality,
testosterone.
do we need that?
Yes, no, we need it.
I have a question, but how is this 19, this 17 here?
17 and it was 18, do you remember? And this is 19. Oh, actually, this is not 19. This is 19. This is number 19.
So, no chirality?
A moment. This is a testosterone, yes? On the carbon number 17, we have a OH, just OH. If I add one methyl, it will be 7 methyl testosterone. And it will be anabolic steroid, not the sex hormone. Good? 17 methyl testosterone. No, chirality. No, this one. This one, this. Good? Yeah?
Yeah.
If they ask you what is the name of this ring, what do you want to say?
It's a phenol or it.
No, this is not phenol because this is not aromatic. This is cyclohexane on. Cyclohexane with on. Cyclohexanone. Cyclohexane on. Understand?
I don't get the own.
On because of the ketone. N because of the double bond. Do you get it?
But cyclohexane always has 3 double bonds, isn't it? Or just one?
Cyclohexane? No, just one double
Okay,
bond.
then
3 double bond will
it's
be
phenol.
phenyl.
Yeah.
Anabolic steroid, synthetic substance related to the male sex hormone. Anabolic refer to the muscle building. Anabolic means muscle building. Who was the muscle building also? Prostaglandian. Prostaglandian. No. The anabolic steroid side effect, abuse of anabolic steroid, however, they can lead to serious health problem, and some of these health problem are irreversible. Which health problem, you know? All of the men that have a very good body, everybody think they are so sexy also. But the muscle of the penis and testes actually is dystrophy.
Yeah, I know.
Because they inject a lot of anabolic steroid, the body think, because it's a 7-methyl testosterone, the body think, okay, I have testosterone, why should I produce by the testes? The testis doesn't produce because the production, the place of the production is in the testis, in the adrenal cortex. they doesn't produce any more testosterone, and they are die. The cell are die because the cell are inactivated, and because of that they lose the sexual potency. Actually, the psychologists make a research, do the research on these sportsmen, and understand that most of them has problem before coming to the gym.
By what?
For example, they have some early ejaculation or early satisfaction of the sex, or they have a depression, or they, for example, cut the relationship, then they cut to the gym and start to injection of the anabolic steroid and be a
like
sportsman.
Psychological. Or...
Yeah, that's a psychological problem. I give you this information that no fall in the love with them. That they are not active.
That's true. I can tell you. I worked in a gym, you know.
Yeah, you work.
Guys with black body don't have a brain, so don't worry.
Yeah, that don't. Actually, there is no any brain on them. Corticosteroid.
I'm sure they make your brain shrunken.
But the brain is just kidding. I just told you, this is not
It's not
science.
it's true.
Don't believe that.
No, it's true.
That's true, yeah, that's because they don't have brain. Corticosteroid, glucocorticoid, and mineralocorticoid. Glucocorticoid, do you want to kidding me? Glucocorticoid again. Glucocorticoid. Oh, this is my teeth. This is my teeth.
It's empty.
It's empty.
No, it has a little bit. I wonder.
I just wanted to write that.
Glucocorticoid or cortisol. The example is cortisone. The other name is hydrocortisone. So this is a L, and this is N. What should we know from the here? Okay. Chirality. I cannot really
Delete.
Can we just...
close.
Yeah, close. You got it, yeah?
Do you got it?
No, can I say again?
This is a chiral. So I wait for chirality.
You can read it. Wait, I'll write it again.
I can read it, but I don't know.
You know what I mean?
That's the gossip girls.
Check up.
Okay.
That's a gossip girl.
No, I think
Oh,
it's
you,
safe.
it means you are not sure that is it done or not?
Yeah.
No, that's done. Don't
I think
worry.
it's-
I should copy paste for you. Oh, don't worry. Just come here.
Yeah. Just check later. I will just leave them.
Yeah. You do it. You're done. Biosynthesis from the cortisol, from the progesterone. From progesterone. That's important. The cortisol is coming from progesterone, and it has a pregnant derivative. Why? It said also for that one pregnant derivative. Compare cyclohexanone, cyclohexane, methyl, cyclohexane, cyclopentane, C-double-O, and CH3. Good. Now a little bit more modification, 2 OH add here and 1 OH on the carbon 11 also. Physiological rule: synthesis of glycogen leads to protein breakdown by cell. Again, cortisol wants to make a glycogen. Later on biochemistry, you have this question: which hormone break and which hormone, again like this, hormone synthesis the glycogen. Can you list it for me?
Which hormone break and which...
Hormone.
Glycocorticoid.
You see, now you learned that the synthesis of glycogen is by cortisol. Okay? Cortisol for synthesis. Again, who wants to synthesize them? Insulin. Because insulin wants to consume the glucose, decrease the glucose, and synthesize the glycogen. Who wants to break them? Glucagon. glucagon. And you know what is the glucagon? It's secreted from the pancreas. That's from the exocrine gland. Not endocrine gland. Endocrine from the Langerhans Iceland. And for break, thinking more. As I know, the adrenaline, noradrenaline, also break it to produce more glucose and more energy. And there is 2 more here and 1 more here. I forget it. But this is a very important question always on the final examination, and it has 10 points.
Really?
Yes.
So we just have to list them, yeah?
Yeah, list them. Such a fucking informative question.
So we just have to, in the lecture, we just have to find out which one is which one,
Yes.
and then, so the
And you
answer
see,
is
they
here.
are not together. Maybe you found one of the other to the other lecture.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you should summarize and briefly bring all of them
Where's
together.
the answer?
You see, it's the synthesis of glucogen. And leads to protein breakdown also. Cortisol break the protein. Do you know the fireman? Do you know the fireman?
Yeah.
What they do? They stop the fire. Are they under stress?
Yes.
Yes. The amount of cortisol on their body is a lot. Most of them get the autoimmune disease. Why? The cortisol is high. The cortisol leads to protein breakdown. Most of the important proteins also break because of the high amount of cortisol. And they don't have they have a lot of glycogen also. It inhibits inflammation and allergic response. You know, as I know, because they need energy, the glucagon should break. It means here should be wrong. Understand me?
No.
I'm not sure that this sentence is correct or not. I should check it. Because the fireman needs energy, the cortisol should break the proteins and glycogen.
But it
Because
says
of
it's
this,
synthesizing
yes,
4%.
it's written here confusing. I'm 90%. I'm sure that this one is
It's
wrong.
breaking.
No, it says leads to protein breakdown.
And this sentence is correct. This sentence is not.
Synthesis of glycogen.
They should
don't-
break the glycogen.
Yeah, they don't produce glycogen, they break down
Break.
glycogen, and then they can break down proteins. Because it's an energy source.
I should check this. Maybe it's wrong. And it's inhibit inflammation and allergic response.
Also important, yeah?
The informative. No. That's okay. Mineralocorticoid. This is you see, we go to the corticosteroid. Corticosteroid. The first group is glucocorticoid, and again here is a corticosteroid. The second group is mineralocorticoid. Biosynthesis from progesterone again. Structure is pregnon derivative again. Why pregnon? Because it's a cyclohexanon and it's a carbonyl and methyl here again. But the difference between this one and the aldosterone and cortisol, here there is no OH.
Yeah.
Here we have one carbonyl on the carbon 18. But see here.
We don't have a
See?
OH, yeah.
OH is here, methyl is here, OH is here, but here we just don't have a methyl, it's a carbon, it's an aldehyde group.
Yeah.
No, this is the aldosterone, and it's make a ester. It means you should be able, you should know this one by heart. See the chirality: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So always, if it has a star, we should know
it.
the structure and the...
But you see, some of the ester is fucking. Just this one is important to know.
Sure? So
Yeah.
let me make...
And the importance is 30%. But the chirality is for sure that you should be able to distinguish the chirality. What is the physiological role of aldosterone? Regulate the sodium chloride bicarbonate and fluid balance on the blood pressure. You know what happens? Somebody has a low blood pressure. The aldosterone should be secreted from where?
Pancreas?
No. From adrenal gland.
Oh, okay.
You know what does it mean, adrenal gland? Here is a kidney. On the kidney, we have a supraadrenal gland. It has a cortex and a medulla. And it's secreted from the medulla here. It's coming to the blood on the macula densa, that you learn it later. Here, it is somewhere here. And also go to the, do you know what is it? That is the glomerule?
What?
Glomerule.
Is it the tube?
What?
Yeah, in the kidney.
Yeah, on the kidney. See, this is a glomerule. First convoluted tube, fourth convoluted tube, or second convoluted tube, Henle loop. You know, don't know anatomy of kidney?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Then the aldosterone comes here and have an effect on this cell. And said, you should reabsorb the sodium, get it back to the blood because the pressure is low. By the help of the sodium, the pressure will
Decrease.
elevate.
Increase.
It means I want to write you aldosterone. You can remember this one because it's more useful. Aldosterone can elevate blood pressure by reabsorbing sodium from the kidney. This is an important sentences. Now, steroid anti-inflammatory agent, and you know this is a
Inhaler.
inhaler, and the name of this type of inhaler is a nebulizer. Nebulizer inhaler.
But it's not important for us.
Yes. Steroid anti-inflammatory agent is SIDE. Steroid anti-inflammatory disease.
But do we have to know anything?
No. Steroid anti-inflammatory agent, derivatives of cortisol. But the effect of glucocorticoid, no, don't make it not so sense. Okay, this is just a little bit sense. But the anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic increase. What the name is methylprednisolone dexamethasone. You should be able to distinguish, just distinguishing, okay, and chirality.
Okay.
For example, could you please tell me what is the name of this cycle?
Yeah, wait. It's hexo in
Cycle. You see, this is a cyclohexanone.
Yeah.
Because one double bond, one double O. But what is the name of this compound?
So it's
Cyclohexadienone.
okay.
Cyclohexadiene, like a alkadiene, and on.
Wait, this is chiral.
Yes.
This is chiral.
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
And this one. This one.
Yes.
This one.
Finish. Can you do it for this one?
This one.
Yes.
This one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, this one no, because this has a 2H.
Yeah.
Just ask it, then put the marker.
This one.
Yes.
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 This one.
No. Oh, yes. This one also.
Finish.
And this.
Oh yes, this one.
No. Could you
Which
please?
one? This one was wrong. Yeah. Can you just?
No, that's just a star.
Okay.
I wanna ask Sabina. Could you please explain for me why this carbon is chiral? Because I think that you don't understand it.
No,
Just make
because
it by sense.
This is a different R group.
Is it just
in every way.
show it to me, please?
Here's the chiral center, and this has a different R group this way.
Yes.
Different R group this way. It has this one and different and different.
Okay. Thank you. No chiral. No. Here. Biosynthesis of steroid hormone. Cholesterol has 27 carbon is always important. You should know the number of carbon.
27.
Yeah, all of them. The number of carbon, especially in cholesterol. Then it decreased 6 of them will be pregnenolone, will be progestans, will be glucocorticoid. No, don't make them. Mineralocorticoid, androgen, estrogen. It just tell you the scheme from where they coming from. Cholesterol.
But what is important here?
Just the number of the carbon of cholesterol. I want to emphasize again. Now, the cardiac glycoside, the name is digitoxin. It's coming from the flower Digitalis purpurae or Digitalis. The name, English name is foxglove because it's exactly like a glove of the fox. Okay. And it has a digitoxin. The use of this drug, this is antiarrhythmic. Yes, it's written somewhere here. It's a plant steroid occurring as glycoside. Where is the importance? Yes, heart stimulant, and this is anti-arrhythmia. Structure ring fusion A to B cis, B to C trans, and C to D cis. Now, please show me. What does it mean A to B cis?
A to B.
Why cis? Because this is above, this is above.
Wait, I will mark them.
B and C is trans.
So this one?
Yes, and this one is above. B and C is trans. Why?
Because this is up, this is down.
Yes. C and D is cis. You see C and D. Above, above. Good? Now, what about the chirality?
At the blah blah blah.
No, that's not important.
Well, whatever.
It's written here lactone. Oh, no. Lactone is here. Cyclic ester. This is a lactone.
Okay.
Now, I want to mark the chirality. And here is again chiral, because this is not now double O, this is just a 1 O.
Okay.
Cardiac glycoside, the next cardiac glycoside is estrofantin. The importance of this come, and this is for distinguish, is 40%. Estrofantin is R is a glycosyl group from Estrofanthus combe. Again, like this, explain something here. Again, it has a lactone. See the lactone and the chirality. And now you understand cis, trans, cis. Again, it's a heart stimulant and antiarrhythmic.
So also 40%.
This one, no. This one is 10% because always they ask if they want to ask between these two, the digitoxin is more important. Steroid alkaloid. They contain steroid aglycone. First of all, I want to ask you, what was the alkaloid? Alkaloid contains heterocycle of nitrogen inside the ring or maybe outside the ring.
Yeah.
No, they contain steroid aglycone. Aglycone means without sugar with heterocycling ring that contains nitrogen. Heterocycling should contain nitrogen to will be alkaloid.
Inside, yeah?
Inside or maybe again outside. And in the nature they occur as a glycoside. Now, this one is solanidine. Solanidine is found in the potato, from solanum to beruzum. Just note that solanidine is in the potato.
Not the structure.
No. Maybe they give you this, they also give you the name, and tell you, please, for example, mark the different ring. Could you please tell me, Sabina, what is the name of this ring?
The
Pyrimidine?
No.
Just
Thinking, this is a 6-member ring with nitrogen saturated. Without saturation, this is pyridine.
Pyridine.
No, saturated is
pyrimidine.
no piperidine. Pyrimidine.
Yeah, piperidine, yeah.
Pyrimidine has a 2 nitrogen and unsaturated. This is a piperidine.
Okay. This is methyl. This is
What is the name of this 5-member ring with
pyrrole,
nitrogen?
isn't it?
Pyrrole is unsaturated, and saturated is
No, wait. Don't tell me. Pyrrolidine?
yes, pyrrolidine. This is a cyclopentan, cyclohexane.
No, don't mark them. Just to practice, that we have the correct answer, not.
This is chiral. This is chiral. Chiral.
No.
No.
This one is chiral.
Yes, this one is chiral.
So, right.
This one is also chiral.
pyrimidine.
This one is not chiral.
Piperidine, pyrrolidine.
Yeah, this one is also chiral.
Yes.
This one is a cyclohexane.
Yeah.
This one is cyclohexane.
Cyclohexane
Cyclohexane and
Pentan.
pentan.
Only carbon can be chiral.
Yes. Later, you don't learn it anywhere, never. But the nitrogen and phosphor could be chiral also. But
How about this one?
no, just you should know the carbon chirality. Yes, this is also chiral nitrogen under the NMR.
So when we know the chirality, we also know it's always 10 to the power of chiral center. That
for example,
we have
1,
so many
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It means it has a 2 to the 11 stereoisomer.
Okay.
Just one of them is natural compound, just solanide.
Okay.
Now, steroid alkaloid, the next one is tomatidine. Tomatidine is found on the
tomato. It's the same like distinguish.
What can this be? Potatidine.
Yes, the English name is potatidine maybe. Now, the name of this ring is piperidine.
Oh.
This ring is
Furan.
tetrahydroxyfuran.
Yeah,
Tetrahydrofuran. Now, the chirality. This one. Could you please tell me which bicycle do you see?
It's like this, so just
one carbon fuses.
Yeah.
Spiro.
Spiro, yeah.
Spiro bicycle. Chiral.
This is just a pentan hexane.
Cyclohexane, cyclopentan. So easy one.
Okay.
And this is also chiral. Importance of steroid alkaloid not important. No, exotic steroid, shark repellents like this one and bufotoxin in bufo, and this one, and fuck it.
All right.
No, we should go to the next lecture.
We did that.